Is it videotaping?
Yep.
Hey, here you go.
This is the videotape of them first learning how to speak. Stuff like that.
Josey, eat, baby.
Say hi.
Josey.
Good enough for me. Draco's the aggressive one. She's probably teething.
Josey, they're okay, baby.
She's
freaking out.
She's probably
freaking out.
Baby Draco's teething.
I want to eat.
Look at she was freaking out. You see that? Look at that.
Josey.
Look at her stand up, trying to eat.
Draco, say hi.
That was funny.
Yeah. Josey. Josey. Hi, RJ.
That's over here like, oh shit, you're live rap. Used to just be filming.
Calm down, girls. Say hi, Draco. Sing for the camera. Oh, this is Draco right now. Daisy said, what if Draco turns all aggressive again? Aww. You should probably start feeding them from a bottle. Aww.
Let them be.
Here's the runt and the quiet one. Here's the squealer and the fat one. And here's all four being mischievous again. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Listen.
Listen, people. I hope they're all hearing this.
I'm 44 years old and I feel great. I'm Dan Reno. I lost 22 pounds on Newton.
That's your sister's tail.
Peanut really wants the camera to see her.
That's your sister's tail.
Hey, Yoda. Whew. Oh no.
Josey!
Let her be.
Poor baby. I'm talking about Josey.
Josey, it's okay.
Mom, just let her protect her baby.
I told your mom to lock her up.
They're okay.
She wants out. She wants to see her puppies.
She's fine.
Draco, what is your problem?
Don't get your fingers next to the door.
Say hi. Okay, here's Yoda. There's Hammy.
Sister's eye.
That's Draco and Peanut.
Let's go ahead and let her out. She's gonna freak.
Dude. Hey, Josey.
Come on.
Oh, Peanut, you silly thing. Oh, this is so cute. See, Josey, they're fine. Say hi, baby. Oh, she's turning for you, Taylor. I know. Oh, Josey. Say hi, Mama.
Give her attention, dog.
Mom, what do I press to stop recording?
The flag button.
This button?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I just wanted to know for when I'm done recording.
It's gonna stop here in a second because you're gonna fill my memory card up. Why don't you go ahead?